Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Fakhrul Alom Sajib. This is MySQL tutorial 14. Today we are going to learn how to use AND operator in MySQL. If you are first time watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell and select all to get all the notifications of my channel. In my MySQL tutorial 2, I have shown you how to use select statement with where clause. However, that time we can use only one condition. If you want to use multiple conditions, then you need to use AND operator in MySQL. In SQL, the AND operator is used for filtering the data and getting precise result based on conditions. The AND operator displays a record if all the conditions separated by AND are true. I repeat, the AND operator displays a record if all the conditions separated by AND are true. Today we are going to use CSV database table student. First I am selecting this one. We have 5 column 1 2 3 4 5 column or field: ID, name, batch, age, postal code. Now we'll use AND operator syntax. AND syntax: select column 1 or field 1, column 2 or field 2 from database name dot table name, where condition 1, condition 2 and condition 3 dot dot dot. You can use multiple conditions. If you have multiple column, you can also write column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. Today we are going to use all the field or columns. Here I have written only one condition, where id equal 1. However, now we want to use multiple conditions. That's why we are going to learn AND operator. The following SQL statement selects all the fields from student where batch is 41 and age is 19. First I am selecting this one, all the columns, all the columns. I am cutting this one. As I want to select all the fields, that's why I have used star sign. Where I am using batch is 41, batch, batch equal 41, and I want to use following this multiple condition: batch is 41 and age is 19. Batch 41, age 19. Here is 19. Age 19. Select, as I'm using all the fields, that's why I will write an star from database name CSC, table name student, where condition 1 is batch equal 41 and condition 2 age equal 19. Now I'm using only two conditions, batch equal 41 and age equal 19. Let's see. Here we have to satisfy this condition true. Batch equal 41 and age 19. Both condition. We have to satisfy both condition. Now I'm execute this one. Only two row satisfied this multiple condition. Only this two row id 4 and 6, only two row satisfied this condition, batch equal 41 19. See, batch equal 41 41, age equal 19, age equal 19. Batch equal 41, batch equal 41 41, batch 41, batch 19. These two condition. Batch 41, age 90. Now I will do another exercise where I will use three condition. Select star from and postal code 102, postal code 102. Now I want to check these three condition, batch equal 41, age equal 19, postal code. This statement select all fields from student where batch equal 41, batch equal 41, age equal 19, age equal 19, postal code 102 102. Now I will to check whether, see, only one row satisfied three conditions, batch equal 41 41, age equal 19, age equal 19, postal code 102 102. These three conditions satisfied only one row, that is id number 6, name Ali, batch 41, age 19, postal code 102. I hope you understand how to use an operator in MySQL. Thanks a lot for watching this video.